Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2 of the Star Wars Advent Calendar from 2022, and it should be December 2nd here. So let's go ahead and put together day number 2. We just finished day number 1, which is right there, and let's see if we can find it. It's right here. I hate that sometimes they're a little hard to find the angles, especially with the lighting that I have here. All right, so this is going to be nice and easy here. If you missed day number 1, definitely take a look at that. You should be able to see that at the end of this video. And we'll go ahead and move on. This one's going to be super easy. I think everybody here could figure that one out. So we have just one face here, so we'll go ahead and put that on. Just like that. Good to go. All right, awesome. So we've got day number 1 and day number 2. So that's that for day number 2. Definitely tune in for tomorrow and we'll do day number 3.